Don't look at me.
Kaylee. Can't see.
Hey, what are you doing over there?
Let's go over this side. Over this side.
Nana.
What is the...
Nana.
Look at that serious face.
Give me a spoon. Oh, don't do that. That means ignore, huh? Ignore. Nom, 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 nom.
So are you giving her as much as she wants, or what are you giving
No,
her?
it's 10 scoops.
Okay.
You're chewing. Nom, 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 nom. Good girl. Chew with your one tooth.
You didn't like it? What do you mean? You do like it. Nana. Stop biting it. Oh my god. Num num num. Nana.
Mmm. Mmm.
So they're gonna have a birthday party for Grandma.
Uh-huh.
It's on Saturday on the 8th, and it's potluck, so we all have to take something.
Oh, okay. At Grandma's house?
Yeah.
Okay. What, is there like a theme or?
No, but I'm thinking Mexican.
So what are we suggesting?
Like I think I wanted to buy some carnitas from the, from the Mexican store,
Mm-hmm.
and then
No, Kaylee.
if Jen's coming, maybe she can make a small chili verde, not, it doesn't have to be unless she wants a huge one.
Mm-hmm.
And then maybe you could make, or she makes a good enchilada casserole.
You can taste the difference between those two, huh?
Green.
That's real Nana.
But you make a good enchilada casserole too.
Yeah.
So maybe one of you can make chili verde, one can make the enchilada casserole.
And then who makes the rice and beans? They do?
I'm gonna talk to him about it.
See if he wants to make the rice and or the
Yeah.
beans.
If not, then you make the beans.
But they're not authentic. Will they like them? They're healthier, but they're not authentic.
They're not
You can make a
authentic.
pot of beans here. In the
Nom,
hot pot.
nom, nom, nom. Mm-hmm.
See, that's real
So
Nana.
whatever you make, so I'll ask him. I says, what if we have a Mexican theme? And
I don't know about that one.
The face wasn't quite the same.
That was the real or the fake Nana.
Okay, let's see the real banana. She's getting tired. Hi, Darvin. Hi, Darvin. I haven't eaten since 5 o'clock this morning. Huh. Or was it this evening?
Can you go make her a bottle?
can hear you. They're gonna see it on that. They're gonna hear that on that.
We're just kidding, Verge. We're just kidding. Ah, let me at it. Let me at it. Mmm. Nom 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 nom.
Good buzz. Yes, baby. There you go.
Oh.
Daddy's not holding her hand, so there you go.
You can block her with one hand.
It's okay, I'm left-handed too.
All right, it's all yours. Have at it. Nom 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 nom.
She's feeding herself.
Is that good? Your day's confused. Yum. That's good. Huh? Yes, it is.
So if you put the, changing the subject, and I forgot she's videotaping the whole thing.
Don't say anything bad.
I know. Oh my gosh. Nasty cat.
What is that stuff on
Look
there,
at the
huh?
cat. Hurry, look at the cat. Watch.
I missed it.
Oh, dang it.
Well, you can rewind it. Is this not real stuff? What is
Look
on
at
there?
this.
This cat looks.
No. That's a good girl. Yeah, it's good. It's good.